A local logistics fleet in the Netherlands is moving towards clean transportation and upgrading its traditional transportation fleet to an electric fleet. However, the power of the local grid is only 10 kilowatts, which requires energy storage to match the power grid. Therefore, SCU provides customers with a simpler and more efficient short-term power expansion evcharger solution. EVMS 180 and EVMS 30 were selected for the charging posts, and the energy storage system GRES 225-200 was added to solve the problem of insufficient grid power and meet the charging needs. SCU will continue to uphold the concepts of innovation and sustainable development, provide enterprises with efficient energy solutions, and jointly promote the development of clean transportation.